Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Are you excited to learn your first 50 French words in French? So let's get started.
Greetings and basics.
Bonjour,
Hello or good morning.
salut,
Hi or bye.
bonsoir,
Good evening.
bonne nuit,
Good night.
merci,
Thank you.
oui,
Yes.
non,
No.
s'il vous plaît,
Please.
excusez-moi,
Excuse me.
au revoir,
Goodbye. People and family.
homme,
Man.
femme,
Women.
garçon,
Boy.
fille,
Girl.
père,
Father.
mère,
Mother.
frère,
Brother.
sœur,
Sister.
ami,
Friend male.
ami,
Friend female. Home and daily life.
maison,
House.
chambre,
Room.
lit,
Bed.
chaise,
Chair.
table,
Table.
livre,
Book.
stylo,
Pen.
cahier,
Notebook.
porte,
Door.
fenêtre,
Window. Food and drink.
pain,
Bread.
eau,
Water.
lait,
Milk.
pomme,
Apple.
banane,
Banana.
fromage,
Cheese.
riz,
Rice.
café,
Coffee.
thé,
Tea.
jus,
Juice. Nature and common things.
soleil,
Sun.
lune,
Moon.
étoile,
Star.
arbre,
Tree.
fleur,
Flower.
mer,
Sea.
ciel,
Sky.
terre,
Earth.
animal,
Animal.
chien.
Dog.
Merci, please like, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.